Okay, so another thing that's really important in these courses, let's go to where it says modules. These are your weeks. Now I'm on the home page, we go to modules, and generally speaking, most of the courses we have are 8-week courses. Okay, so you'll scroll down here. Here's this module 1, this is week 1 for you. Okay, and you can see module 2, module 3. These are the different weeks of this course. Now, when we go into one of these, the overview, this shows you, this first page, this shows you what you're going to be required to read or view this week. So in many courses, there'll be required readings here. This one has just this video that you need to watch. Now, this is a LinkedIn Learning video. If you have any problems getting into a LinkedIn Learning video, get in touch with the library and we can help you with this. Now, once you're done with the reading everything on this first page, you click Next. And then here's the next page. You read all this. There's a video they want you to watch. You can watch that. It's linked right within there. You click this. This is a link they want you to go to. And you click Next again. I'm scrolling down. You know, sometimes you'll find these types of things. Click on those and they'll open up for more things you have to read. Then you go Next for the next page. Okay, and then there's a check your understanding. This is like a little quiz that you take. Okay, click on that. Take the quiz. Then this confuses people a lot. This where it says references. These are the references that were used to build this module. You don't have to do this, although you were already assigned to read that. Let's look at another course. This is PJM 400. I'm going to go to module 1 here. Same thing. Overview. Okay, now in this one, there's a lot more you have to read for this course. There's a reading from your textbook. And this is a recommended reading. There's another reading. Then we go Next. Okay, now look behind here. You have to read those things too. Next. And that's just turning the page. Okay. You click on these things. They turn around. You read those. Here's a video you have to watch. Again, a LinkedIn Learning video. If you have any problems getting into those, contact the library and we'll help you get set up with that. See these little things you have to click on to see what's behind there. Next. Here's another video you have to watch. Click on these things for different things you should read. And then you've reached the end of the lecture. Again, here's the references. If you want to read these for your curiosity, that's fine, but you don't have to read these. I wouldn't worry about reading those. Okay. Then next, you will get to the discussion. We'll talk about how to do the discussion in the next video.